How to fix a Locket application is not working properly on your Android devices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to access the Locket application, however, it seems to be not working, first of all, you'll have to check if the internet connection is strong enough. Make sure you have a stable connection, and if not, you can switch between mobile data to check if it is working on mobile data. Sometimes the problem could also be because of the bugs and fixes. This can be tackled by updating the app to the latest version. Open Play Store for this and then go to Locket Widget and then tap open it, and if there is an uninstall and update button, tap on the update button on the right side. However, if it is already up to date, you can now open and then try to access it again. Another step would be long pressing the Locket app and going to app info. First of all, click on permission and make sure all the required permissions has been given, such as photos and videos and camera should be allowed. After that, you can go back to the previous page and tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache and then on clear storage. Once this is done, relaunch your application. But before that, restart your device and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.